In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Tap on I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue. Now tap on Continue again and choose while using the app and Allow in all available pop-ups. Finally, after closing an ad, manage all of those options and click on Set as Default at the top. Now to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can always do that by accessing the same launcher app. Clicking on Set as Default and tapping on ASUS Launcher instead of iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!